Good morning, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It is 11:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, November 10th, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell so that you can be notified of when these videos come out. Click the thumbs up to recognize the video that you're on, but more importantly, share the video with your friends and colleagues interested in storage. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video. Let's go straight into STORJ US dollar without playing around here. So we've got a nice floor support still at $1.57 and still resistance, that bloody resistance at $1.68. Just going to zoom out a little bit so everyone can just understand the bigger environment that surrounds the price action of storage. So certainly nice accumulation looking pattern here. This is really going on now for a proper week. I'd like to see a little more accumulation before we call it, but you know, we could be breaking out soon. We're at $1.68 resistance here, and we really we clawed up pretty quickly. A lot of other altcoins didn't do as well, but they're starting to. Now, let's go take a look over at the STORJ Bitcoin pair. Still consolidating on that line, 2373. This is picture perfect TA. I love when price action follows this to the letter of the law. Not every chart, not every particular crypto follows clean price action. This one definitely feels it, but we're going to continue to watch it. A few macro events going on. Let's zoom into the STORJ Bitcoin pair to have a full understanding of what's happened. Around 8:30 today, where we were all the way up here at 24.24, we went down dramatically. 24.24 all the way to 23.64. It's a pretty big jump, almost 5%. Now let's go take a look at why. Well, STORJ Bitcoin, when we look at this pair, it's really storage over Bitcoin, right? How much storage do I need to pay? How much Bitcoin can I get for one storage? And this is exactly what I could get for one storage, 0.00002421. Now, today, Bitcoin went up dramatically. We're going to go into why in a second. It went from 66,000 to 69,000. So the denominator, which is Bitcoin in the STORJ Bitcoin pair, the denominator went up faster than the numerator. The numerator is storage. So storage over Bitcoin as a decimal form went down because the numerator grew a lot faster. The denominator grew a lot faster than the numerator. Sorry, my math might be off. I'll have to review this video afterwards, but just know that this pair went down as a direct result of Bitcoin going up as fast as it did. Here's the bottom, here's the top, 69,000, 66,000. That was the range, all within a New York minute, all driven because of one report. Inflation going up 6.2%. On that report, everyone flocks to gold. And what's the backup to gold? Digital gold. What's digital gold? Bitcoin. All right, so that's kind of like why we are up dramatically here. Bitcoin looks like it's here to stay. Inflation's up the biggest in 30 years. 6.2% is not small. Many of you weren't even born to remember a huge jump in consumer prices. Bitcoin dominance. Let's go over this one. This dominance pair is definitely looking like a pretty decent line of support right now. We have a support around 43.66. What I like about this is it's not going up too fast. It's kind of like a slow and steady walk up a yellow line. That's okay. That's okay here. So Bitcoin US dollar also. Yesterday we were worried that this thing might break down, and it was breaking down up until that 8:30 report. So these are the times where macro events can actually change the trajectory of price action, whether it's a pattern change and or a trend line change or a channel change, however way you want to look at it. Things can happen quickly when you have macro events like that, and this was a perfect example of one. So anyway, STORJ US dollar looking really bullish here. I'd like to see a breakout. However, you know, based on what we're seeing over the past week, we get up there and we kind of crawl back down. So we could still be range bound. We might not be, but again, it's all contingent on our ability to get over $1.68, $1.69 for a meaningful and forceful period. Anyway, I'm out. We'll catch up soon. Take care.